At Pune Institute of Business Management, a new journey started. Udipen, a national MSME summit and leadership conclave was organized here. And at that event, a new app, Udipen, was launched, which will bridge the gap between industry and academy, creating new employments as well as skills which is required, especially for the micro and small scale industries.
Backed by AICTE, supported by Raman Preet as a technical partner, is a powerful response to one of the most pressing challenges in our job market and employability match.
Udipen is on the ground and launching for the various students, basically students who are the rural part of the country, which is not able to get a good jobs, which is not able to understand all the choices. So because of him, this Udipen entire application was created, the thought process, and combined with the SMEs and micro, small, medium enterprise. Plus, the AICTE has gone to a different level with the open mindset. So I also would like to have a big round of applause for the chairman of the AICTE, Sitharam sir. When the SMEs are working on, we see the talent what SME requires is very different. So you require a hands-on talent. We identified that approximately 1 crore 20 lakh student is passing every year from higher education. That means after doing 15 years of education or 16 years of education, if our student is not skilled to serve the right community, the right industry, and there is certain kind of gaps. To fill those gaps, we have given this idea as a concept called Udipen. That means the faculty at one side, trainers at one side, will build the entire content. That means we'll go to the SMEs, we'll go into the SMEs, ask the help from the SMEs, and we'll take a content out of it and we'll build the content and we post all these content onto the Udipen application. So when the student want to join certain kind of SMEs, they'll undergo these content, get trained to give the certain kind of test, get the qualifying results, and then automatically it will facilitate very easy, smooth way. That means student who is qualified to test, the CV, the resumes can be seen and can be checked by the various companies holders also.
It's truly a privilege to be here with such a distinguished gathering for the launch of Udipen, the national MSME portal for creation of jobs to all our students across the nation. Today, we have all gathered here not merely to discuss about this application, but also to understand what is the scale at which our micro, small and medium enterprises can offer. MSMEs are the backbone of India's economy. We have over 63 million MSMEs in India, that is more than 6.3 crores. They contribute to 30% of the India's GDP, account for 40% of the exports which India makes, and employ over 11 crore people already. But what is the issue? So less than 10% of the Indian MSMEs have adopted any form of digital technology and also AI adoption. Today, we are in a disruptive world. Artificial intelligence has disrupted the way we work and the way we even think. The future is very, very uncertain unless we embrace these new technologies.
The deep dive which has taken by Raman Preet through this endeavor will definitely, because our all students community is available on the mobile phone. So they are more focused on the mobile phone. For the same, they have given one more application where students can really try to see that their match, because all the expectations are very high when they do their graduation and post-graduation, but there is a mismatch always found by the industry. So I appeal all the students community who is present all across the country, basically from the rural area, where they find there are less number of industries are available. They will definitely get benefited out of this Udipen App. And I think the publicity and sharing of this app is very, very important to reach out to the student, and which will get converted into the internship and finally converted into the final job requirement. At least students, when they get the hands-on experience, they will understand that where they stand between the matching of their knowledge, their skills and the real requirement of the industry.
ये जो आपकी जनरेशन है, इसके सामने बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है। हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री चाहते हैं कि 2047 में आज से 22 साल बाद ये देश दुनिया का नंबर 1 बन जाए। एंड यू आर दी जनरेशन जिन्होंने देश को नंबर 1 बनाना।
Standing here, I can see that still the gap, what we are talking of, it still exists. And how that gap is affecting the business and the students. Affecting the business, you have to have, you spend money on upskilling, you have to spend money on keeping a bench strength so that whatever projects so immediately you can put into it. You have to spend money looking out for the actual talent. On the other hand, people are there who are ready for employment, who are ready to get employed and willing to get employed, but not finding employment. So this gap has to be bridged, and it's a very good start.